everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade shawarma that tastes delicious and juicy and full of flavors. To start, we're going to need 4 pounds or 2 kilograms of boneless chicken thighs. I listed the spices you're going to need for the recipe in the descriptions below, so please check it out. Rub and coat the chicken with the mixture, cover it and let it rest in the fridge for 12 hours to marinate. So for the base, we're gonna chop this onion and make a very thick slice because all the shawarma tower is gonna be sitting on it, so it has to be thick. And it has to be a big onion too. For the base of the shawarma, I'm gonna use the widest part of the onion, and then the one that's smaller, I'm gonna use it for the top. So nothing goes to waste here. And it better be really thick. We're gonna need a few wooden skewers for that. I'm just gonna stick them right here. Now I'm gonna layer my chicken thighs one on top of the other, and I'm gonna make sure they're firm one on top of the other. This is very important for the recipe. Now because of the shape of the thigh that is cleaned out like this, it doesn't come in a round shape, so I'm just gonna switch sides every layer just to make sure I have this nice round shape for my shawarma tower. And once I do it, see, it just wraps the onion perfectly. Okay, so after a bit of crafty work, I have my shawarma tower and I'm gonna put the cherry on top. Now the secret for the juiciest ultimate shawarma is the fat. You have to have fat on top that will melt slowly and drizzle on top of all this beautiful meat. I'm gonna use lamb fat just because we love it, we love the flavor, and we can get it in the store where I live. If you can't get it, which is okay, you can use any other fat you can get a hand on, and it might be beef, chicken, whatever, just a little piece of fat. I'm gonna show you how the lamb fat looks like, and that's just what I have left over. I don't need a huge piece because I don't have too much, but I'm gonna use this. Even bacon slices will work for this. You just have to layer them on top and that'll do the job. So I have this little piece, it's even bone in, and I use it for other recipes that I'm gonna show you in my other videos. I'm gonna go reverse, so this will be my layer on top. And I'm gonna do it and then attach it because I don't want to injure my tower or make it fall apart. So I'm gonna put the tomato first. Whole tomato, not a big one. Now a slice of my onion that I sliced earlier. And the fat or the bacon or anything, any type of fat you're gonna add onto it. And right in the center, we're gonna gently press it in. Make sure it sticks and it's firm and it's not gonna fall apart once it starts cooking in the oven. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, now before we move it in the oven, we have to wrap it up because I want the meat to be cooked fully on the inside. If we don't do this, then it'll just grill on the outside and it might be raw on the inside. So it's important, don't skip this part. If you're enjoying this video, please support me by liking it and subscribing to my channel for weekly recipes. Now, this is how I want it. So, if that's going in the oven, might as well just add some good stuff that will bake and will be delicious. I'm just gonna slice a few onions and just put it on. You can basically put any vegetable you like or want to be grilled. Bell peppers, tomatoes, anything you like, just put it in and it will be ready and it will soak all the juices from the shawarma that will melt on the side. So the shawarma is ready to go in the oven. I just want to make sure that I mention it now. I did not put salt on the meat at all. That is because I don't want the salt to draw all the juices from it. I'm gonna salt it after I make it and after I want to serve it. But I will put some salt and pepper on the onions because I do like them nice and crispy. I have the heat on 360 or 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna put my shawarma in. Wish me luck. Shawarma tower was in the oven for about an hour and a half. I'm gonna take it out, take the foil, remove it, and put it back for 45 more minutes. Now it goes back for another 45 minutes.
Action.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade shawarma. Just as beautiful as you see it in what's up?
Action.
Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade shawarma that looks delicious and pretty easy to make. So just stick with me and...
And action.
Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade shawarma that looks beautiful. لما انت like it beautiful.
Juicy.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade shawarma that looks delicious and juicy.
No.